Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on getting lock screen notifications on your Galaxy tablet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your tablet. In Settings, tap on Lock Screen. In the lock screen settings, tap on Notifications. Switch the toggle at the top to the On position. You can choose Icons Only to just see icon notifications, or choose Details to see a full notification. You can change the transparency of the notification with this slider. You can choose to hide the content of the notification by tapping the Hide Content toggle. If you tap on Notifications to show, you can choose which type of notification you want to show up. You will now get lock screen notifications on your tablet. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Tab tips and tricks.